Kaiber video animation. If you would like to create animated videos using the power of AI, head over to Kaiber.ai and try it out for free. Transform your ideas into visual stories with state-of-the-art AI generation. If this is your first time, you will need to quickly create an account to get started. After you're logged in, you'll land here. To create your video, there is an option to upload an image, to kind of start and/or guide the footage. There are also options to transform an existing video, as well as an option to add audio, but you have to have a pro account for those. I think this big-ass eyeball will make for something interesting, hopefully. Okay, click there. This is where we do the text portion, and as you can see, they have most of it already written. We can choose from these suggestions, or better yet, we can manually type in what we want. I bet Cosmic Anomaly will work well with my eyeball in the sky. Yeah, I like the idea of that. This image makes me think God's eye, so I'm going to add that in. Now we pick the style. Again, these are optional. We can type in whatever we want right here. I guess it's one option or the other. But I want both. I'll just type it in. Use this green slide to set the duration of the video. Mine is set to 8 seconds, which will cost me 8 of my credits. A longer duration does use more credits, yet I feel like I get more bang for my buck with 1 or 2 longer reels instead of a bunch of really short ones. That's just my opinion, though. All these other options are for pro subscribers only. Oh, except this one. Now this here, labeled Evolve, is going to be what impacts our video creation the most. Basically, it determines how quickly or slowly your image will morph. You'll see what I mean in a min. I'm going to keep mine in the middle, right where it's at. That starts the countdown. Give this video a like and subscribe for more AI content.
All right, here comes God's big-ass eyeball!